Women are the foundation of progress. Their health deserves the utmost attention. Yet, many women face a silent struggle, irregularities in their menstrual cycle. Countless of women experience unpredictable periods, often unaware of the impact it can have on their overall well-being. We believe that knowledge is a power. In a world where women's health takes center stage, we introduce our innovative application designed to provide women with the tools and resources they need to understand and manage their menstrual cycles. Welcome to PCOS presentation by Period Worry because got me company. We are gonna start about why we decided to focus on this issue. Polycystic ovary syndrome is a pressing issue affecting millions of women worldwide. Recent news and studies have brought attention to the profound impact of this condition has on women's health and well-being. According to recent studies, it is estimated that approximately 3% of women worldwide suffer from PCOS. As we zoom in, 15% of women in productive age are affected by PCOS. These women are at a crucial stage in their lives, navigating careers, family planning, and personal growth. Equally concerning is the fact that a significant portion of PCOS sufferers are unaware of their conditions. The statistics underscore the urgent need for solutions that can empower women to identify, understand, and take control of their menstrual health.
We have three target personas representing different market segments. Meet Laura, a 28-year-old professional seeking to manage her menstrual cycle and identify PCOS symptoms, because allows Laura to track her cycle accurately, receive notification, and access comprehensively health information. Next is Amira, a 24-year-old health science student. Amira aims to deepen her understanding of menstrual cycles and PCOS symptoms, because provides Amira with educational articles and trusted resources on reproductive health. Lastly, we have Aliva, a 35-year-old homemaker focused on gaining insight into her reproductive health and planning for pregnancies, because assists Aliva in monitoring her cycle, identifying symptoms, and offering guidance on family planning. After analyzing user personas, we've identified key challenges for women. First of all is lack of menstrual cycle understanding. The second is difficulty identifying PCOS, and the lastly is challenges accessing healthcare.
Our app empowers women to take charge of their reproductive health by easily tracking their menstrual cycle. But what sets us apart from the competition is our comprehensive self-assessment feature and connect you to health professionals. Our app provides a unique self-assessment tool that helps women identify their potential risks of PCOS. By answering a series of targeted questions, users can gauge their symptoms and understand if they need to consult a healthcare professional. This early detection capability is crucial in managing PCOS effectively. Furthermore, our app goes beyond self-assessment by seamlessly connecting users to experienced OB/GYN and healthcare providers. We believe in the power of personalized care, and our platform acts as a bridge to ensure women receive timely, expert guidance and support.
So we already implement some of our main features. First, we use Figma to design our user interface and Android Studio mainly to develop the application. Here is some of architecture component we use. There are Retrofit, Firebase, ViewModel, Live Data, and some other libraries. Here is some feature developed by our team. A splash screen and onboarding activity will inform the user about our application when launched. There is also a login and register page that connect to Firebase database. You can see self-assessment feature right there when you access the homepage. It will take you to the page to assess your symptoms and give you some prediction automatically.
Now let's move on to the machine learning implementation and the result. We first gather the data from Kaggle, then we clean the data to fulfill our needs in self-assessment feature. We remove columns having EDA, discretized value, and some other process to make sure that our data is ready to use. Followed by data pre-processing, we label, we split, we scale, augment, and oversample the data to make sure that we have enough to proceed to the model. Now is the part of where all the magic begins. We build our model using neural network. Simple, yet powerfully. Then we build and train the model and get this result. We know that it's still overfit, but we found the possible root cause of this problem. First, our data is a health record that isn't really possible to be augmented. And the second one is we think that we need to explore more about the data, since we only focus on the self-assessment feature. But since we got 93% on our training data, we are still confident that we still have a pretty good chance.
For our application architecture, we are using mainly Google Cloud Platform and Firebase. There are free APIs which we implemented. The first one is a self-assessment feature API using Cloud Run to serve and Flask as the framework. The image is stored in a container registry and the user data are inputted through a Cloud SQL instance. The next one is a user authentication feature which we implemented using Firebase authentication and storing the user credentials through a Firestore database. The last one is a menstrual cycle tracker which we implemented the Google Calendar API through the mobile app, in which we stored data through a real-time database.
We believe in our potential. Here we attach the local deployment plan starting from month 1 to 6. We will focus on our initial launch, raising brand awareness, as well as gathering user feedback for iteration and refinement needed. Our journey won't stop in the first 6 months with the funding we got. We are projecting our first 3 years as shown as this slide. We are aiming to provide our users a one-stop application where they can educate, track, consult, and understand themselves. We are here to empower women, and we do believe that our roadmap journey can take us to our goal. Now you can see our projection by funding, because with 5K and 10K US dollars, we will focus on developing features, doing research, and maintain our application with the funding.
Let's move on to how we can generate revenue. In our initial launch, we will provide the service for free to gain more customers and users. As we get bigger, we plan to monetize our service as shown on the slide. Our revenue streams are from ads, in-app purchases, and subscription.
As you can see on this slide, our sources of income come from sales, projects, subscriptions, grants, and funding rounds. And our top priority in terms of efficiency is efficient product development, followed by resource optimization, and the last one is streamlined operations.
As to retain our customers, we plan to do 3 steps of get, keep, and grow. We believe that PCOS can penetrate the market and get a strong proposition. I will walk you through our key elements. Our app revolutionizes women's reproductive health care. We offer self-assessment for PCOS risks, menstrual cycle tracking, and seamless connectivity with medical professionals. Key activities include app development, data analysis, and strategic marketing. Our dedicated resources ensure a user-friendly app, user support, and social media engagement. We target women aged 20 to 40 years old and generate revenue to in-app purchases and subscription. Let's collaborate and make lasting impact.
We believe that women is pillar of the future. Investing in women's health is investing in a brighter future. That's all from us. Thank you.